This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Carla %20 Walker. Bellhaven Planning Greenhaven at Hillpoint by Wetherington Homes, featuring a flexible floor plan and gorgeous design details. Plenty of living space for today's lifestyles. Gorgeous kitchen west/butler's pantry, farmhouse sink and big dining island, quartz countertops, separate dining room, open great room overlooks backyard. First floor guest bedroom and full bath. Upstairs, loft area, large primary suite west/huge closet, separate tub/shower, dual sink vanity. LVP flooring incorporated corner lot on cul-de-sac. Rear covered porch. No neighbors behind home. Craftsman elevation, full front porch. ETA Dec 25. Home plans avail, west/1 st floor owner's bedroom. Ask about quick close homes. November 6, 2025 for more information.